How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet connection issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your device getting connected to the Wi-Fi but no internet connection. So this is how you fix it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have a strong internet connection. So if you're already connected to your internet, head over to your Wi-Fi. Now, right under here, instead of this weak security, you will get an warning that says no internet connection. Now, if that is the case, what you might want to do is head over to this eye icon and forget this network. Make sure that you remember the password and reconnect it to this network. After you do that, your problem should get fixed. Now, that is the basic fix for it. But if that does not work, what you might want to try to do is check if you do have the internet connection. That is, if your bills are paid and you have the connection. So make sure you check that out, and if everything is all right but your problem still persists, head over to your settings, and under your settings, scroll down till you find General. Under General, tap on it and then again scroll down. After you scroll down, you will see an option called Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and after you're there, you will see the Reset option. Tap on Reset, and there you will see Reset Network Settings. Tap on Reset Network Settings and type in your password. You might also have to restart your iPhone. So restart your iPhone, and after you do that, your network settings, including your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and many other network features or different functions will get reset. After that happens, your problem should get fixed and you can reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And yeah, that is basically it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.